Lucas Deep Clean GDI Gasoline Direct Injection Cleaner. Well, we performed this service to this engine earlier, our GDI engine, and you're not going to believe what happened. Some of the best results we've ever had, but there was just one small problem. So let me take you back to earlier and show you guys just what happened. Lucas says to go ahead, start off and remove your air filter. So that's what we'll do first. We'll remove the air filter, and if you have a mass airflow sensor just like the CRC spray, it says to spray beyond the mass airflow sensor. Go ahead and bring your idle up to about 2,000 RPMs as Lucas claims to do so, and have your engine at operating temperatures. The steps that I typically follow, and still this happened. There was just one variable that I had changed. As you've seen, these are some of the worst intake valves with all the carbon buildup. Lucas says spray in short bursts. Warning, do not spray continuously like I am. It does say short bursts, but we're trying something to get results we've never got before. Make sure you insert your straw as far as you can inside the intake. I'm only doing this so you guys can see the spray pattern. As you can see, I've lost a very small amount. So let's go ahead and give it a little spray inside. Okay, so the car just died out. So it started stumbling. Now let's go check and see what's going on with the car. So we allowed the car to sit for 2 hours, come back, checked it out. As you can see, the check engine light was on, but I did want to allow it to heat soak. Okay, and that is precisely why I do not spray the chemicals continuously. Yes, it would be more helpful to rid ourselves from the carbon buildup deposits. However, your engine cannot compress liquid, so that's why they say do it in short bursts. Now that we have everything reassembled in the reverse order in which we had taken it apart, we'll go in, look at our intake valves before, and I'll go and show you the results that actually came out. I can't believe this one. Here we are at the first observable valve. Well, as you can see, there's definitely a lot of carbon buildup. So let's go ahead and take you to the second valve. Here we are at the second valve. There's just as much carbon buildup on this valve as well. I'm really curious to see, can Lucas Deep Clean actually work on intake valves on a direct injection engine? Let's move on to valve 3. The carbon buildup is definitely adding up. I hope this formula actually works. And here we are at the fourth valve, which is somewhat hard to see because the shadow created by the carbon buildup is so bad. Well, finally, time for you guys to see just how well this stuff turned out. Guys, here we are at the first valve. And definitely, there's been a lot of carbon buildup removed. There's no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and move on to the second observable valve. Well guys, there's a lot of carbon buildup removed on this valve as well. So let's go ahead and take it on to the third valve. Here we are at the third valve. Guys, make sure you let me know what you think. Do you think there's been a lot of carbon buildup removed? I don't like to give my opinion too much because I don't promote any of these products. But if you'd like to find out more information on this product or where you can find it, just check out the description below and I'll provide the information. Let's go ahead and move on to the fourth valve. Well guys, you saw it here first, and I cleared the code and the car was just fine. So I want to thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.